these some older weighted candles. I'll be lucky if I get 20 grams out of these too. We'll see. Yeah, these aren't too bad. They're usually 15 grams a piece. So we'll cut those open and so there's 5, I thought there's 6. So there's about 3 grams, 4 grams. And then I forgot to get my scale, but I'll weigh this out. We'll see what the weight is on these spoons and forks. All right, so let me come back to you. All right, so that was as advertised, 190, 142 on the flatware. That's not bad. It's kind of junk. I knew it, but I needed the silver for this project. And we'll tear these up and tear that up. Let me grab some tools and we'll get into it, okay? All right, let's go with the easy stuff first, just kind of warm up. All right, so I'm gonna just preface this by saying I worked in the HVAC sheet metal shops for years as an apprentice. And, you know, I don't wear gloves a lot when I'm doing this, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't, because this stuff is famous for meat hooks. I have to say, this stuff's pretty thin already. I was kind of hoping for, you know, an ounce for every 2, but I'm thinking I'll get lucky on this. See, this is looking to be like a meat hook right here. I don't even know if I got that in here. Man, let me start adjusting this. So anyway, that's 3 of those so far. Sorry about that, I was off camera. I'm still trying to, got this new camera from Amazon. My daughter got it for me to help out with the video production. So we're working on that, and the GoPro will be next. Man, these things are light. I don't know if anybody needs any ashtrays. Hit me up. All right, so that's not bad. This is always the fun part. I really like this older stuff. It's funny how it smells like turpentine. It's I guess it's the wax and the plaster. So, that's some old stuff there. This is why they call it weighted. Oh, you know what? Let's get a weight on that. The before and after. This is always funny. See how they put brass and stuff in it? Sometimes I've found like rulered or measured out pieces. See if I can find those for you guys. But it's not too bad. And then we'll definitely have to break out the equalizer. The camera move. Well, we'll have to edit that part out. All right, so let's try that again. It fell over. That was a disaster. This is the little candle receptacle. It's a little problematic. So all right, let's get the scale, get a weight. So I just want to weigh what we've cut up so far. That's 35 G's. Uh, 62, so that's 2 grams. And we'll let's see what this weighs first. 278, and let's see how much it weighs after you cut it up. Wow, 27 grams of silver out of that. So we'll cut this up and see what we get. I missed those couple of pieces. We'll get a total weight in a couple minutes. All right, so I just feel like breaking out my offsets. This stuff's paper thin. Oh, looks like we had a little adjustment there when I knocked the camera down. We'll have to find a better position for it. All right, so that's pretty much it for the candlesticks, weighted candlesticks. And we'll get a weight on everything so we can figure out how much nitric acid to use. All right, here we go. Let's put the flat pieces down first. We'll do the candlesticks. I'll have 2 candlesticks. We got 53 grams for that. So let's just keep going and see if we can make an avalanche here of all right, 89 grams. It's not too bad. It's almost 3 grams. I was hoping for a little bit more. Let's see if we can do it. I really feel like cussing right about now. All right, that's not bad. I think that's pretty good. And with the 81 grams of cemented silver we had, plus the copper cell slimes, that's probably about 90 grams of silver. And then that's going to put us at 10. I'll get a little extra just to hold us over, but you know, so far we've come close to making, oh, I forgot the breakers. So we're close to that 10 ounce bar. I've spent close to $200 on the silver, the chemicals, and the acetylene. So it looks like we can make the bar for under that. I'm not including the electrolyte for the silver cell because that's going to go towards a bigger project also. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out what the viewers think. How about that? All right. So this is the cemented silver that we poured shot. And the breaker, that little bit of breaker. And man, I got to say, that doesn't look too